I've noticed that we're getting a warning message with the AI. If I click play and turn on walk, for example, we have this start running does not exist warning. If I double click on it, so these lines where we're setting both for start walking and start running, this is the problem. We have two different animators, one for walking and one for running, and the animator for walking doesn't have the parameter start running, and the one for running doesn't have the parameter start walking. It's not a serious issue. The game still plays fine. As you can see here, it's just a warning. In the later videos, I simplify this AI into just one animator, so you don't have to really worry about this. But if you would like to get rid of the warning message, you can go into the animator. And for start walking, we can add a new parameter, bool start running. And we do the same thing with run, add a start walking parameter. And if I click play, this is something else, don't worry about it. And if I turn on running, we no longer have the warning message. The other warning message is coming from the fact that you might not have installed ProBuilder. So if I go into the package manager and install ProBuilder, we're not going to have any error messages or warning. Let me try walking this time, and everything works fine.